So transformation formula. So how should we begin? This is the first question. So the process to begin is simply we know sine A plus B, we know sine A minus B. Yes, this is the first question. So what will we do is that we will simply write this as this is a formula transformation. Just sine A to sine A cos B. Our aim is to memorize this type of things. Okay. So from here we will understand that if A plus B is C and A minus B is D, so what is A? A is nothing but 2 sine C plus D by 2 and it is cos C minus D by 2. What we did you normally got. So A plus B is C and A minus B is D. So the value of A is what? C plus D by 2 and the value of B is what? C minus D by 2. Similarly, it is sine A plus B minus this. So in this case, if it is minus, I think we got cos 2 cos A sine B, and in this case we have 2 cos C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. Okay, so these are the formula. You can simply prove by opening this as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B and then putting minus and doing everything like this. 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So in cos we have only cos which is 2 cos A cos B. So we can simply write 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. We will have sin 2 sin A sin B, and here we have 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. If you have simply cos C plus cos D, it will be 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, which is minus A by 2, which is A by 2. Okay, so we got the proof. So people may be asking how it came. It is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. This is how it came. Find the value of 2 sine 3 theta plus theta. Okay. So first we'll write, first we'll open this. If it is sine, if it is sine, we have remembered something, you see. If we have cos C minus cos D, it is D minus A. It is D minus C. Okay. So we have got something like 2 sin A sin B. So it should come out to be, this is minus. Okay. This is sin C sin D. We can write cos C minus D minus cos C plus D. And here we have cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta. We simply got cos 2 theta minus cos 4 theta. This is minus cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta. So this is equal to 0. First one, we have cos C cos D, sin C cos D, sin C cos D. We have such type of thing. We'll multiply 2 and divide 2. Take get 2 sin 8 theta cos theta minus sin 6 theta cos 3 theta. We have multiplied 2 and we are dividing it by 2. 2 cos 2 theta cos theta minus 2 sin 3 theta sin 4 theta. So this is what sin C cos D. So we can say it is sin C plus D plus sin C minus D, because we have sin cos. If it is sin, it will be cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. If it is cos, it is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. No, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. If it is cos. Okay. So I think by that time we know the formula. Sin C sin D. Okay, it is simply sin 6 theta plus 3 theta plus sine 6 theta minus 3 theta. Cos c cos t. It is cos 2 theta plus theta plus cos 2 theta minus theta. We have minus of sin c sin d. So if it is sin, there is something in cos. Cos 3 theta minus 4 theta minus cos 3 theta plus 4 theta. Okay. So normally remember the value. I think second number we have already done proof in last lecture. So this is sine 9 theta sine 7 theta minus of sine 9 theta minus of sine 3 theta whole divided by cos 3 theta cos theta cos minus theta is cos theta minus minus plus cos 7 theta. I think we could find something cancelling. Sine 9 sine 9 cos cos. Now we have sine 7 theta minus sine 3 theta. We have cos 3 theta plus cos 7 theta. Sin c minus sin d. We will have cos first. Cos c plus d by 2 sin. Hello BHS. Hello. So we have sin 7 theta minus 3 theta by 2 whole divided by 2 cos c cos d. Cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. I think we could find that this and this is cancelling. So overall we are getting sine 2 theta upon cos minus 2 theta, which is sine 2 theta cos 2 theta, which is 10 2 theta. No. So this is what we got. Hence we have proved it. Yes. So the formula is just something for calculating like this. It is not more than anything. Just to calculate this way. So now we are moving to this part. It is all formula based. Everything is formula based. We have nothing to do with our common sense. We have everything formula based. Okay, nothing to do with common sense. It is just a So everyone try this one. Please try. So I will start helping you all. So this helping will go like this. First one, cos C minus cos D. 2, if it is cos minus, then it will be sin. 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2, which is nothing but 2 sin 13x by 2, and this is sin minus 3x by 2, which is minus of 2 sin 3x by 2 sin 13x by 2. Proved. Second one, cos C minus cos D. 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D minus C by 2. In the bottom we have 2 sin C minus sin D is cos C plus D by 2, and sin C minus D by 2. So it is something we are getting sin 2 cancel, sin 4a by 2 is 2a, and this is sin 2a by a is sin a whole divided by, this is cos 2a, this is sin minus a, so overall it is minus tan 2a. So we are straightforward getting the answer. Third one, sin 2a plus sin 4a sin 6a sin 8a. Okay, we got some longer time. So we'll do sin 2, sin 8, sin 4, sin 6. So when we are grouping sin 2a plus sin 8a plus sin 4a plus sin 6a. So we are normally grouping it. Cos 2a plus cos 8a plus cos 4a cos 6a. So we got 2 sin c plus d by 2. Sin c plus d by 2 is 5a. Now we can write it like a bit quick. Cos c minus d by 2. We can write a bit quick. We don't have to write plus minus like this. 2 sin c plus d by 2. Sine 5a cos c minus d by 2 cos a. 2 if it is cos, it will stay only cos. Cos 5a c plus d by 2 cos 3a. Cos 5a cos a. If you can look by look, cos 5a is common, and we have cos 3a plus cos a. We will have sin 5a common, cos 3a plus cos a. So we are normally getting tan 5a. Okay, so we got the answer. Fourth one, we have sin a. 2 sin a could be written as sin 3a plus sin 3a, and then we can have sin a plus sin 3a, sin 3a plus sin 5a, and we can calculate. Similarly, sin 5a will give you sin 5a plus sin 5a. So similar question, solve it. Okay, similar question. Fifth number, sin c minus sin d, sin c minus sin d. Similar question. Okay, similar question, solve it. So now we are here with this question. So sin c sin d, sin c sin d. The type is sin c sin d. We will multiply with 2 and divide with 2. This is this way. We have 1 by 2. 2 sin c sin d is nothing but cos c d minus c by 2. So 7 theta by 2 minus theta by 2, 6 theta by 2, 3 theta by 2 minus cos c plus d by 2, 5 theta by 2. C plus d is what? 8, 8 by 2 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, here we have cos 11 theta minus 3 theta is 8, 8 by 2 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, minus cos a plus b by 2, 7 theta by 2. This is 1 by 2. Cos 3 theta by 2 minus cos 7 theta by 2. This is 1 by 2. Cos c minus cos d is 2 sin a plus b by 2. It is coming out to 5 theta by 2. Okay, this is cos c plus d and cos c minus d. It is not by 2. and it is 4 theta. This is 4 theta. This is not by 2. So it is sine c plus d by 2, which is 5 theta, sine d minus c by 2, which is 2 theta. So it is simply sine 5 theta sine 2 theta. So now we are on this question. I will consider this as good question, star mark. I will give it a star mark. Prove that cos A sin B minus sin C. One thing we can do is that we can just simply do expansion. Simply expansion on expansion. It is cos A simply expansion. We can't do anything. Simply expansion. Sin B cos C minus cos B sin C plus cos B sin C cos A minus cos C sin A plus cos C sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. If you find it, something is going to get cancelled. It's just a simple expansion. Sin B cos C minus cos A cos B sin C cos B sin C cos A minus cos B cos C sin A cos C sin A cos B cos A cos C sin B cos sin cos sin cos cancel cos sin cos sin this got this cancel, it is equal to 0. Simple expansion. So the aim for this question was to think on the question that how could we solve it using sin C plus D formula. So other ways like simply expand it, yes. In this question we will simply see that this is 2 sin C cos C cos D. So it will come out to be cos C plus D cos C plus D plus cos C minus D, and we have cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 30. This is cos 10 pi by 13. This is cos 8 pi by 30. This is cos 3 pi by 13, and this is cos 5 pi by 30. So 10 plus 3, if you consider, this is nothing but pi minus 3 pi by 13, and this is cos pi minus 5 pi by 13, and this is cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. If you go, cos pi minus theta is minus cos 3 pi by 13 minus cos 5 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. Everything will get cancelled. This will get cancelled with this, which is equal to 0. We have to show the cancellation. Show the cancellation. Okay. Now this question is really difficult. Not difficult. This question is really not difficult. So how should we going ahead? It is 3. There is something c minus d. Okay, c minus d is there. Yes. So that is why this question is falling into this. Sine 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 is how much? 270. 270 minus theta, third quadrant. So sine will convert its sine to cos, and it is whole power of 4. So whether it will be minus or plus, it is going to be power of even. 3 pi plus, it is 3 pi, n pi. So it is going to be sine only, and the power is even, so it is going to be alpha only. Yes, yes, got it. This is 2. This is pi by 2 plus second quadrant. So sine will convert into cos with the positive sign. This we know already. This is sine n pi plus alpha. So n pi, it is even power. So sine is going to stay sine only, and even power will make it positive. Yes. So this is 3. Can we write this one as cos square alpha sine square alpha whole square minus 2 sine square alpha cos square alpha? Can we write this as a square plus b square plus 2ab? So plus 2ab minus 2ab will get cancelled, and we are going to get simply this as final output. This is cos square alpha plus sine square alpha whole power 3, a plus b whole cube. So we will have to make it minus 3 a b into a plus b. So this is 3 cos square plus sine square is 1, 2 sine square alpha cos square alpha. This is minus 2. We have 1. This is 1. We have minus 3 sine square alpha cos square alpha. This is 3 minus 6 sine square alpha cos square alpha minus 2 plus 6 sine square alpha cos square alpha. This and this going to get cancelled. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1. My question is, in order to check this option, this question has fall into sin C plus D category. Okay, this fell into sin C plus sin D category just to check this option. Otherwise, it would have been in very earlier classes. Okay, okay, you got it. I think you got it. Yes. Now this is IIT advanced level question. IIT advanced. I would tag it as IIT advanced. So very good question. Should we expand? Should we multiply with something? Okay, okay. So I got the trick. 1 plus cos pi by 10. This is 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10. And if you see 7 pi by 10 plus 3 pi by 10 is pi. So can we write it 1 plus cos pi minus 3 pi by 10, and can we write this one 1 plus cos pi minus pi by 10. This is 1 plus cos pi by 10. It is 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10. This is 1 minus cos 3 pi by 10. This is 1 minus cos pi by 10. So it is a plus b, it is a minus b. Can we say it is a square minus b square? And it is a plus b into a minus b. Can we say it is a square minus b square? This is sine square pi by 10. This is sine square 3 pi by 10. Okay, boss. Now how to work on this? How to work on this? Okay. So see, this is sine square 18 degree. This is sine square 54 degree. So right now, if you don't know this value, for now you remember that sine 18 degree is root 5 minus 1 by 4, and sine 54 degree is root 5 plus 1 by 4. So if you multiply, it is root 5 minus 1 by 4. It is root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. So this is 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 upon 4 whole square. Whole square, which is nothing but 1 by 16. Remember this. We have to remember this. Okay. Remember this. Remember. Okay. So people are saying that, sir, how will it fall into sin C plus D criteria? My question is that the question is given this way. We have to think whether we can multiply and divide and try to form something. Like in case we would have multiplied cos 9 pi by 10 divided by cos 9 pi by 10, and we would have created something in cos C plus D format. But it did not fall in that. Yes. So it got some different way of solution. So from there we could come to know that it is not falling in sin C plus D criteria. So this is sin C, sin cos D, sin C. We have solved somewhere like this question. Multiply 2 sin 24 degree, cos 6 degree, 2 sin 6 degree, sin 66 degree, 2 sin 21 degree, cos 39 degree, 2 cos 51 degree, sin 69 degree. Sin C cos D is nothing but sin C plus D and plus C minus D. This is sin C sin D. That means it is cos C minus D minus plus cos 72 degree. If you see, it is 1 by 2 cancel. It is it is cos 72, that means sin 18. Okay, okay, sin 18. And this is cos 18. No, it will come out to sin 18. Sin C cos, so sin. So they are getting added. They are getting 2 times of sin 18. At the bottom we have sin C cos D. We can consider that cos is mode. So it is sin C plus D plus sin C minus D, which is minus of sin 18 degree, whole minus cos C sin D. It is sin C cos D. We can say that it is sin C plus D 120, and it will be plus. So it will be simply sin C plus D minus sin C minus D. So it is sin 18 degree. So we got sin 18 plus cos 72 upon sin 90 plus 30. So this and this will get cancelled. We are getting minus sin 18. Sin C plus D. This is minus. Okay. We are getting minus sin 18 minus sin 18. So this is also sin 18. 2 sin 18 degree upon minus 2 sin 18 degree. This is minus 1. So we got the option 1. In this question, 10a, 10b are the roots of this equation. So how should we be solving? So x square minus ax plus b is equal to 0. Roots are 10a, 10b. So find the value of sine square a plus b. So can we write this as, okay, okay. Can we write this as 1 by cosec square a plus b? Can we write this as 1 plus cot square a plus b? Can we further write this as 1 plus 1 by tan square a plus b? Can we further write it as tan square a plus b 1 plus tan square a plus b? Now we can say that tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Now tan a plus tan b is nothing but a, and 1 minus tan a into tan b is nothing but b. So substituting, this is 2, this is 1. Put 2 in 1. So on putting 2 in 1, we get sine square a plus b is equal to a square 1 minus b whole square divided upon 1 plus a square 1 minus b whole square. We will get something a square 1 minus b whole square plus a square. So this is the answer. So this is how we solve this type of question. Next question. Great achiever, great, great achiever, achiever 100. You are welcome. So now tan a minus tan b is x, cot a minus cot b is y, cot a minus b. So tan a minus tan b is equal to x, cot a, cot b minus cot a is equal to y. If you go this further, it is 1 by tan b minus 1 by tan a equal to y. Taking LCM, it is tan a minus tan b upon tan a tan b equal to y. If you put tan a minus tan b as x, can we say that tan a tan b is equal to x by y. So this is 1, this is 2. Now we are going in third. Cot a minus b. We can say it nothing but 1 upon tan a minus b. And we know by the formula tan a minus b could be written as tan a minus tan b 1 plus tan a tan b. And now we know that tan a tan b is x by y and tan a minus tan b is x. So this is x plus y divided upon xy or 1 by x plus 1 by y. 25 degrees x. This is this, this is this. Okay. 180 minus, okay. We can write 10 180 minus 25 degree. This we can write 90 degree plus 25 degree. This is 1. Okay, tan a minus tan b divided upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Oh, it is simply tan a minus b upon 1 plus tan a tan b is nothing but tan a minus b tan 40. So which is difficult. So better we write it as 180 minus 25 degree, and this we write as 90 plus 25 degree. So this is minus 1025. This is in second quadrant, so 10 will come out with negative with the change, and 10 will convert into cot 25 degree. This is 1 minus 10 25 degree, tan 90 plus theta. It will convert into cot with minus sign. So minus minus will become plus. We are simply getting this as 2. Tan cot will get cancelled. It will be becoming 2, and this is x and this is 1 by x. It will go in LCM. 1 minus x square by 2x. Now this is the question. I think every one of you could see that this is good question. I will give it a star mark. Sine alpha plus beta is 1. Sine alpha minus beta is 1 by 2. So we have to find the value of tan alpha plus 2 beta. tan 2 alpha plus beta. So this is sine alpha plus 2 beta sine 2 alpha plus beta divided by cos alpha plus 2 beta cos 2 alpha plus beta. We can multiply by 2, divide by 2. It will become sin C sin D, which is nothing but cos C minus D. C minus beta minus alpha minus cos C plus D 3 times of alpha plus beta. At the bottom we have cos 3 alpha plus beta plus cos beta minus alpha. So there is no probability of sign. Or one thing we can do it here. Alpha plus beta is pi by 2 and alpha minus beta is pi by 6. From there if we add it we get alpha equal to 60 degree and beta equal to 15 degree. 90 minus 30 is 6. 90 minus 30 60, 60 by 2 30. So without doing these all things we can simply do 10 alpha is pi by 3, beta is pi by 3, 10 2 alpha is 2 pi by 3 and beta is pi by 6. So this is 10 2 pi by 3. One of the option could match like this. Okay, 10 5 pi by 6. Sine 10 120 is what? 90 degree plus 30 degree. We have 10 90 degree plus 60 degree. 10 90 plus theta is minus like 9. It is in second quadrant, so 10 will come out with negative and opposite inverse, which is cot 30. 10 90 plus 60, it will come out with negative cot 60. So it is normally plus 1. This is 10 30. It is plus 1. So option A is correct. This is the easiest way. This was very difficult. Difficult. This was easier. So this was easier. Okay. So we have taken some good level of question for you all. Okay. So alpha comma beta be such that alpha minus beta is between pi to 3 pi. Okay. In previous question they should have given us this thing. So this would have helped us to choose alpha plus beta value or alpha minus beta value. Sin C plus D. Sine alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. This is cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. So if we divide, we can get only the value of tan alpha plus beta by 2. If you square and add, we'll get, okay, 1 we have sine alpha sine beta minus 21 by 65. Second we have cos alpha cos beta minus 27 by 65. So first square, second square, we have added. We are going to get sine square alpha sine square beta 2 sine alpha sine beta. This is 44165 whole square, and this is 27 into 27, 65 whole square. Next we have cos square alpha cos square beta 2 cos alpha cos beta. This is 1 and 1 2, and this is 2 cos alpha minus beta cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is 44127 whole square. 4 729 65 whole square. Okay, this is 0, this is 7, this is 11, this is 4225. We'll send to this side, it will come again in minus. So cos alpha minus beta is 1 by 2 1170 4225 minus 2. This is 1 by 2 1170 minus 8450 upon 4225 0 8 2 7. This is by 4225 into 1 by 2. This is 36 40 4225. Now, do we have space? No, we don't have space ahead, so we'll solve it here. 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. 1 minus 3640 4225, which is 585 4225 divided by 1 by 2 is cos square alpha minus beta by 2. So we can consider cos alpha minus beta by 2 is nothing but root under 585 4225 into 1 by 2. Okay, we should be knowing that this is not in our calculation. We know that cos alpha minus beta is 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 minus 1. This is what we have studied in one of them. Okay, so if we try to find 65 will come out. So it will go somewhere other way. This is 9. 9 will come out with 3. It is root 13, root 2, 13, root 5. So this is normally it is between alpha minus beta is between pi to 3 pi. So alpha minus beta by 2 is between pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. So pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 is second quadrant or third quadrant. In both the quadrant cos is negative, so it will come out with negative. So option A is answer. So this type of question we have already done. Okay, we have already done. So solve it. This type of question we have already done. So solve it. This type of question we have already done. So solve it. This already done. 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 This question we will do it. This question we will do it. We will take somewhere, we can say that y equal to sine theta plus sine 2 theta, and here we have 1 plus cos theta cos 2 theta. We remember that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if we do sin c plus d, we have 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay, and at the bottom 1 plus cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta, and this is cos theta. Okay, so this lies in the interval. This lies in the interval. We have to work on the interval side. Okay, so at pi by 2 this can become 0, the denominator, so it will go infinity. At minus pi by 2 it will become minus infinity. Okay, wait. Wait. Sine theta, we also know that Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. This is sine theta, 2 sine theta cos theta upon 2 cos square theta plus cos theta. We take sine theta common. We are left with 1 plus 2 cos theta. If we take cos theta common, we have 1 plus 2 cos theta. We have simply tan theta, and theta should in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, cos theta is positive only. Okay, so tan theta is, if you see the plot of tan theta, it is going at minus pi by 2, it is going minus infinity. At pi by 2 it is going plus infinity. So range of tan theta in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is minus infinity to infinity. Got it? I think we got it. This is half angle. So this question we will definitely do. This is very good question. We'll definitely do. In a right angle, the sides are, these are sides of the triangle. Then the length of hypotenuse. Okay, this is square plus this is square. A is equal to cos 2 alpha cos 2 beta plus 2 cos alpha plus beta. If we extend, this is cos c plus d by 2 c minus d by 2. This is 2 cos alpha plus beta. If we take 2 cos alpha plus beta, we are left with cos alpha minus beta plus 1. B will come out to be sin 2 alpha sin 2 beta plus 2 sin alpha plus beta. We take, it is 2 sin alpha plus beta cos alpha minus beta, and we have 2 sin alpha plus beta, which will go out to be 2 sin alpha plus beta cos alpha minus beta plus 1 in a right angled triangle. So we have a right angled triangle. This is A, this is B, this is root under A square plus B square using Pythagoras theorem. So in a right angled triangle, hypotenuse is root under A square plus B square. So A square is nothing but 4. This will come out to be common. Okay. Cos alpha minus beta plus 1 will come out to be common. We have 2 will come out to be common, and we have cos square alpha plus beta plus sin square alpha plus beta as 1. So we know by half angle it is 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 2. This is 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. So answer C is correct. Straightforward. No mind. We know that chunki since cos alpha minus beta is cos square alpha minus beta by 2 minus sin square alpha minus beta by 2. This question we have to find the value in 10 and we have this thing given. So can we say that 3, can we say that sin beta by sin 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 3? If we do componendo dividendo, are we going to get something? Can we get something componendo dividendo? If we do 1 plus 3 and 1 minus 3, so we'll get sin beta plus sin 2 alpha plus beta. We get sin beta minus sin 2 alpha plus beta. So sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin cos c minus d by 2. Okay, okay. By chance we could get it. This is sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. It will be sine. It is sine, so it will be cos as at plus and sine at minus. It will become minus, yes. So it is nothing but minus tan alpha plus beta upon tan alpha is minus 2. So we can simply say that tan alpha plus beta is equal to 2 tan alpha. Going further, we can say that tan alpha plus beta is minus 2 tan alpha, which is equal to 0. So the value is equal to 0. We can say independent of alpha and independent of beta. That's all. Independent of alpha and beta. So now we are moving ahead. Sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. We'll do sin x plus sin 3x and sin 2x is kept as it is. Solving sin c plus d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This is sin 2x equal to 0. Taking sin 2x common, we are left with 2 cos x plus 1 equal to 0. So sine 2x is equal to 0 or cos x equal to minus 1 by 2. So option B and D. Simple, straightforward. So I will give this chance to you all to solve it. Multiply by 2 and solve it. Okay. Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. This is again componendo dividendo. Try it by yourself. So we are done with lecture 3. I am giving you few time to solve this question and then I will go off. I will go off. Off note. It is better we'll continue with lecture 4. Can we continue? We'll see first. So Ryuk, kindly connect me, okay? So you are getting triple IT strictly or triple IT Kottayam. So kindly connect me, okay? So this is the question. I wanted to give it a chance for you all. Okay, it is simply sine alpha by sine beta is equal to 5 by 3. Applying componendo and dividendo, we have sine alpha minus sine beta upon sine alpha plus sine beta. So 5 minus 3, 5 plus 3, which is 1 by 4. This is sine c minus d, 2 cos a plus b by 2 sine a minus b by 2. This is 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This is 1 by 4. If you see it further, it is tan alpha minus beta by 2 sine by cos, cos by sine is tan alpha plus beta by 2. This is 1 by 4. If you do inverse, it is tan alpha plus beta by 2 upon tan alpha minus beta by 2, which is equal to 4. So 4 is the answer. We are moving to lecture 4. Okay, so this we can continue tomorrow. Okay, one lecture per day. One lecture per day. This will continue tomorrow.